In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Revolut Business Account phone. We'll walk through the initial sign up on your phone, step by step, so you can get started quickly and confidently. Begin on your mobile device. Open your browser or the Revolut app if you've already installed it and search for Revolut Business. Make sure you're on the official Revolut site or app listing by checking the developer name and reviews. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're in the right place for business accounts rather than personal banking. Once you're there, tap Join Now to start creating your account. You'll be asked to choose your country. Select the country where your business is registered or primarily operates. This choice influences features, supported currencies, and compliance checks, so take a moment to double check it. When the correct country is selected, tap Continue. Next, choose your legal business type. Common options include sole trader, limited company, partnership, or nonprofit. Pick the option that matches your official registration exactly. Aligning this with your documents helps prevent verification delays later. Then tap Continue. Enter your email address. Use a business email you check frequently since Revolut will send important messages and verification prompts there. Avoid shared inboxes if possible, and make sure you can access this email from your phone right now. Tap Continue. Now enter your phone number, add the correct country code, and use a number that can receive SMS on this device. This number will be used for security alerts and future sign-ins, so choose one you plan to keep. Tap Continue. A verification code will arrive by text. Enter the code exactly as shown. If it doesn't arrive immediately, wait a moment, confirm you have a signal, and request a new code only if needed. Accurate codes protect your account from unauthorized access, so take care when entering them. Create your password. Choose something unique, strong, and hard to guess. Aim for a longer passphrase with a mix of characters, and avoid reusing passwords from other services. Consider storing it in a reputable password manager so you don't have to memorize it. When you're satisfied, tap Continue to finalize this part of the setup. That's it for the initial creation of your Revolut business account on your phone. You've set your country, business type, contact details, verification, and password. Keep your login information private, enable notifications so you don't miss important updates, and you'll be ready to proceed with the rest of your business onboarding inside the app whenever you're ready.